Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made Christmas burger. So simple, let's get started. Alright, get a bowl that microwave safe and put in 325 grams of milk chocolate. Now put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time. Stir each time until it's completely melted. Alright, so the chocolate is melted. Now get another bowl and put in about 110 grams of white chocolate and do the same thing. And now get a baking tray and make sure to give a really good grease. And then get your melted chocolate. And just put it over. Alright, once you spread out the chocolate, get your white chocolate and put it over the top. Now the coolest part about it, that we're also gonna swirl it. And then you get a knife and swirl it all around. Maybe spread out a little bit and swirl it. Once you swirl it very nicely, now it's time to decorate it. You can use anything. I'm using M&Ms. We can also use cherry beans or whatever you want. You sprinkle it. And just press down on it, just a little bit. And now you put this in the fridge for about an hour or so to set. And then we'll get to the next bit. Alright, beautiful. Now what I did was, I took the baking tray on the fridge and just broke them up into little pieces. But as you can see, it's beautiful. So, let's taste it. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorite recipe for Christmas bars. As you can see, oh, it's beautiful with the beautiful M&Ms. Yeah, perfect for our holiday tradition. So, let's taste that. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. My new recipe. I want to let you guys know there'll be no video next week. Why? Because it's Christmas Day. And I know a lot of you guys are planning to spend some time with your family, so there'll be no video next week. So I hope you guys understand that. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you for my next recipe. Peace out.